So what we do is we take your standard, everyday, boring 6-panel door and we cut a hole in it. We put our glass in it to make it look just like this right here. There's really not much you have to do after that. Once we get done installing the glass in your door, you have a 20-year warranty. It'll last you a long time. If you can send us a picture and the design that you like, we can tell you exactly how much it'll cost, and it'll include installation, tax, and everything. Our business is a family company. We started this as just a couple people who wanted to help people save money by not having to get a whole new door unit, and door jamb, and all this other stuff. We just wanted to put glass in people's doors. When you order a door glass from us, our highly trained professional installer will come to your house with his door shop on wheels that's solar powered. He'll take your door off the hinges, and about 45 minutes to an hour later, you'll have a brand new piece of glass in your door.